question number 11. Question number 11 is which of the following calls to mystery will return true? Okay, so I have to evaluate mystery on these calls. The two ways I can do this thing, I can look at the method mystery quickly and see what it is doing, and then compare with my inputs, right? So I have to compare different inputs on what's going on in there. Or I can run through a couple of inputs and see if I can see the pattern, right? So I'll start with C. I usually like to start in the middle. So string, I'm going in with NNOO, right? I have a temp. Temp is nothing in there. K equals str dot length. In this case, K is equal to 4. So I start with K is equal to 4. And I'm going to go for as long as K is greater than 0. It's minus minus 3, 2, 1. Do I go for 0? No. K greater than 0 is what I'm going in for. What do? My temp, that is nothing. For K equals to 4, my temp, right? So we'll see what happens here. Temp is equal to temp plus str dot substring K minus 1 to K. K is 4. So 3 to 4. So when you do str dot substring 3 to 4, it's NONO, right? So NNOO 0, 1, 2, 3. When you do 3 to 4, it's just going to give you O here. So it's going to be O. Again, next iteration, K is equal to 3 now, because next iteration, you do K minus minus K, 3 is greater than 0, you're good, you go in there, temp equals temp plus substring. Now my K is 3 minus 1 is 2 to 3. 2 to 3, it's just going to give you this O, so it becomes OO. Next, K minus minus K becomes 2, 2 is greater than 3. You go from K equals 1 to 2, 1 to 2, it gives you N. You append that to this, so you have OON. Next iteration, your K becomes 1, 1 is greater. You go from 0 to 1, that gives you the first N, so OONN. Now, temp equals str. If this new version, you understand the new version here is by reading the string backwards. If input and the backward string are equal, it will return true. So now all I have to understand is when I reverse my input, does it give me the same thing? On will give me ON. Are they same? No. No will give me ON. ON will give me NO. They're not the same. This one is not there. So these three options are out. This one will give me ON. So that does work, right? So number 11, oh no, that does not work. It's NONO. If I reverse it, I get ONON. That does not work. And noon will give me NOON. So E is my answer. This program checks for string to be a palindrome, meaning you can read it backward and forward exactly same, and that's what this mystery is doing for me. So answer is E.